Good morning, kindergarten. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. We're going to get started with our calendar and then we're going to do our alphabet because we haven't done it in a while, so it'll be good practice. Here we go. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? We welcome you in a friendly way. Sing the days of the week with everybody, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days make a week, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. All right, let's count and see what number we're going to put up next. Get it out here. All right, ready, everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. There's our number 7. All right, now let's do days of the week. Let's see what is today. Everyone look. Which one is today? Great. Today is Thursday. Everyone say Thursday. Like thumb. All right, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. Friday. And that means yesterday was Wednesday. Very good. All right, moving along. Here's our straw. Now, yesterday was a bundle day, so we made it say 70. If I have 70 and I add one more, I'm going to put this in our ones pocket. So we have, whoops, everyone count with me, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 1. 71. Very good. We're going to change our ones to 1. Then we're going to come up here on our hundreds chart. I'm going to color the 71. We're using orange this time. 71 days of kindergarten. Very good. So yesterday we had 30 days till day 100. If we have 30 and we take 1 away, 29 days until the 100th day of school. Very exciting. All right. Now I'm going to scooch in here quick. Here is our alphabet. Okay, we all know it. But we're going to go through and say the letters, the pictures, and the sounds just for practice. So I'll say it and then you say it. Everyone say apple. B balloon. C cat. D dog. E egg. F fish. G goat. H heart. I igloo. J jack in the box. K kite. L light bulb. M moon. N nest. O octopus. P parrot. Q, queen. R, rainbow. S, sandwich. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, vase. W, watermelon. X, box. Y, yarn. Z, zipper. Good job, kindergarten. You did great. I'll see you a little bit later for our read aloud. Bye-bye.